prophecy, posted on facebook.com/harvestarmy, February 27, 2011, at 5:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The eastern side of an eastern country crumbling and partially submerged. Also uploaded to YouTube March 10, 2011, one day before what would be noted today as the most powerful earthquake in 1,000 years.
February 24, 2011. Hear this one. The eastern side of an eastern country is seen crumbling and partially submerged. I'm looking at it right now. Crumbling and partially submerged. Now, whenever a prophecy goes like that, then it behooves us, if you are in the east, whatever country you are, to be prepared for it. Crumbling. We see the crumbling and the submerging, whichever country you are in. If you're a country that is prone to earthquakes or prone to tsunamis or whatever, you just be careful. You just be careful.
Fulfillment March 11, 2011. The very same prophecy prophesied before a New York and worldwide internet audience only 12 days before fulfilled before the world. Striking as Japan's largest earthquake and the 7th largest earthquake on record. Also triggering tsunamis that pushed 33-foot waves submerging cities, crumbling buildings and houses and killing many. It's reported even a year later from the day that the debris left behind from the earthquake will take 100 years to remove.